Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Pleasanton for a small pop-up meet that my friend organized. And right here we got a BMW E90 M3, and we got some more cars over here. We got an M6 competition. We got a BMW M4, another M6, a Grand Coupe, really nice. Jaguar F-Type R, and you got a ton of Porsche GT3s. So GT3 RS, I actually like this. Got canards, really clean, and it's even a Visoc package. And over here you got another GT3 in black with gold wheels. We've seen this guy before. And you got Cayman GT4, and this is a extremely loud GT3. And this guy is crazy. He even put an extended wing on his GT3, and I think it's even wider than the car itself. But yeah, this thing has a stupid loud exhaust, and it just looks really clean. Over here we got Justine's F430 Spider. This is also the same guy who owns that wide body M6 in Nardo Gray. And then 3 Series and BMW M4 in really nice purple. I've never seen an M4 in purple. That's really nice. Got a C7 Corvette Z06. Nice. And got breakfast from the cafe. Hey, we got Dan M3, and we got Anthony. What's up, Anthony?
What's up, man?
What's up? Going good. Look at this. We got Dan, the 993 RWB, and we got Anthony with the NSX. And then over here we got, look at that fitment on this E93 M3. Look at that, it's like tucked inside the fender. And then you got Corvette, got a S2000 over here, and then we got John's GT3 RS, the Lizzie. Get a closer look at the Lizzie. As you can see, IPE straight pipe exhaust, and lizard green GT3 RS. Look at this 911 Turbo S. And the Porsche GT3 coming in. Matte black. Anthony leaving in the NSX. Let me hear that fried exhaust.
What was that?
Let me hear that fried exhaust. There you go. Alright guys, I think this does it for today's small little get-together meetup. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, sure leave a like. It was nice meeting old friends. But anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.
Meanwhile.
Alright guys, so after the show, I just found this random Pagani Huayra Roadster sitting in a parking lot. Holy crap. It's a Huayra Roadster. All I saw was just a black car. Like just, I was on the street right there and I just saw this pop up. And look at that interior. It's a white interior. The seats are covered, but holy crap. I don't even know what to say. This is incredible. Just randomly parked Huayra out in the wild.